What if the real reason you losing strength and balance after 60 isn't aging at all? What if the true problem lies in one overlooked muscle group? Your glutes, especially the gluteus maximus, are the hidden engine of your entire lower body. These muscles power your walking, your standing, your posture, and your stability. When they weaken, your whole body begins to struggle. You feel unsteady on your feet. Your lower back starts working overtime. Your knees take on the load meant for your hips. And suddenly, daily movements feel harder than they should. Most seniors don't realize this until the symptoms become obvious. The slow steps, the discomfort in the hips, the wobble when getting up from a chair, the fear of missteps on stairs. But the truth is simple. Weak glutes lead to weak movement. And most senior exercise routines don't fix this. Walking alone won't fix it. Light stretching won't fix it. General balance drills won't fix it. Because without glute activation, the foundation stays weak. It's like trying to build a house on soft ground. The structure simply can't hold. But the good news is powerful. You can rebuild glute strength at any age, even after 60, even if you feel stiff or out of shape, even if you haven't exercised in years. Your body still responds to the right kind of training: gentle, controlled, targeted. And today, I'm giving you 6 exercises designed exactly for that. No equipment needed, no pressure, no complicated steps, just simple, safe movements, all scientifically supported, all senior-friendly, all deeply effective. Before we begin, drop your name and where you're watching from. Now let's start awakening your foundation. Exercise 1. The sumo squat. This move strengthens your glutes, hips, and inner thighs. It reduces pressure on your knees, and it improves your balance almost immediately. Stand wider than shoulder width. Point your toes outward slightly. Lower your hips gently. Keep your chest tall and core engaged. Rise with control and squeeze the glutes. Use a chair for support if needed. Perform 8 to 12 slow reps. Exercise 2. The glute bridge. This movement supports your pelvis and spine. It trains the muscles that protect your lower back. It improves alignment and reduces discomfort. Lie on your back with knees bent. Press through your heels. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Pause at the top and lower gently. Do 12-15 controlled reps. Exercise 3. The donkey kick. This is a powerful glute activation drill. It isolates the gluteus maximus. It teaches your body to use the right muscles again. Start on hands and knees. Lift one leg upward with the knee bent. Avoid arching your back. Squeeze the glute at the top. Switch sides after completing your reps. Perform 12-15 per leg. Exercise 4. The Bulgarian split squat. This move strengthens each leg individually. It corrects muscle imbalances. It greatly improves balance and stability. Stand in front of a chair. Place one foot behind you on the seat. Lower straight down with control. Keep your front knee aligned. Rise gently through your front heel. Perform 8 to 12 reps per side. Exercise 5. The classic lunge. This is functional movement training. It mimics the motions you use every day. It strengthens your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. It improves hip mobility and knee stability. Step forward with one leg. Lower your body slowly. Keep your torso upright. Push back to standing. Switch sides and repeat. Do 8 to 10 controlled reps per leg. Exercise 6. The calf raise. Simple but essential. This exercise strengthens your calves. Strong calves support your balance. They help stabilize your ankles. They make walking and standing easier. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hold a wall for support if needed. Lift your heels slowly. Pause at the top. Lower with control. Perform 12-15 repetitions. These 6 exercises build your foundation. They strengthen your lower body. They improve your stability. They enhance your posture. They increase your movement confidence. And they protect you from falls. Start slow with every exercise. Focus on smooth, controlled movement. Don't rush. Don't force depth. Your form is more important than your speed. Use a wall or chair whenever needed. Consistency matters more than intensity. 2 to 3 sessions a week is enough. Over time, you'll feel stronger. You'll feel more aligned. You'll feel more stable. You'll stand taller. You'll walk with more confidence. You'll climb stairs more easily. You'll feel your body supporting you again. Remember that strength is not about age. Strength is about activation. Your muscles are still alive. They're waiting to wake up. They respond when you move them. They grow when you challenge them. They rebuild when you stay consistent. And your glutes are the foundation of it all. When they activate, everything improves. Your hips become stronger. Your knees feel lighter. Your back moves with ease. Your steps become steadier. Your confidence begins to return. And your independence becomes protected. These 6 exercises are your starting point, your daily reminder to take control of your strength, your simple path to a stronger future, your foundation for aging with power, not fear. You're never too old to begin. You're never too weak to improve. You're never too late to rebuild. Start today with one small commitment. Type heart in the comments if you're ready to strengthen your glutes and your life, and share this with someone who deserves to stay strong with you.